Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to pick system, and now go to the about phone, which is last option. Now locate build number, which is the very last tab here, and now you have to tap on it for 7 times. And as you can see, now you're a developer. So let's go back to the previous screen, and as you can see, developer options appeared. To open them, simply click on the icon, and now you can come along with all the super features and very advanced operations. You can perform all these actions. Just be careful, as they are very important and very advanced, so you have to be aware what you are doing. And then if you'd like to switch off developer options, simply tap on this icon, and as you can see, they are no longer active. So also from here they disappeared. If you would like to activate them one more time, you will have to perform the same trick again. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate developer options in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.